Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 12 divide 12 is equal to 1. Then again 12 divide 12 is equal to 1. Now 1 multiply 1 is equal to 1. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Okay. Now let's solve this problem correctly according to order of operation. So according to order of operation, here is a one division, here is one division, and here is one division. So all have equal priority, therefore we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So first we have to solve this part. So 12 divided 12 is equal to 1. Divide 12 divide 12. Okay. Now 1 divide 12 can be written as 1 divide 12 divide 12. Okay. Now according to KCF rule, K means keep, C means change, F means flip. So keep this 1 by 12 as it is same. C means change the sign from division to multiplication. And flip means flip this last 12 is equal to 1 by 12. Okay. Now 1 multiply 1 is equal to 1. And 12 multiply 12 is equal to 144. So the correct answer is 1 divided 144. The correct answer. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.